Hey there, I'm Mai. I'm so happy you're here. Grab a snack and let's hang out. If you love sweet treats, you have to check this out. Okay, and guess what today? I'm also going to teach you some fun English words about this Swiss ice cream shop. Okay, let's go. The first word, milkshake. M-I-L-K-S-H-A-K. Milkshake. The chocolate milkshake is very thick and creamy. Part of speed is now. Our second word is topping. T-O-P-I-N-G. Topping. I take chocolate chip as my topping. Past of speed is now. The last one, jelly. 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 Can I have some jelly on top? Part of speed is now. Thank you for watching. See you again next video. Bye bye.